Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do advanced text effect in DaVinci Resolve 17. Really easy and fast. Let's dive into the edit page. It's gonna be fun, but first let's see some examples. Let's open edit page in DaVinci Resolve. You can see that I have already put my videos on the timeline. First we need to move our clip to video layer 2 to make space for text clip. So let's open the effect library tab, open the toolbox, click titles and select text. Drag and drop it underneath the video on timeline. Extend the text clip as needed. Click and go to inspector in the top right hand side corner where we are going to change the text. We're going to write MyMyk. Let's change the font to bunch shrift and the font face to bold. Then change the size. Due to a reason that we cannot see the text, we need to click and highlight the video clip. So let's go back to inspector and in the composite mode change from normal to multiply. Now we can see the text and it looks nice already. Click on the text clip and go back to inspector. You can change the color if needed. We are going to animate our effect, so click settings and enable dynamic zoom. Now we can control that using the dynamic zoom settings. Click on this icon and select the dynamic zoom. Use the red rectangle as the endpoint and green as start point. Let's make this rectangle a bit smaller and drag it above the first three letters. Then make the red rectangle the same size and drag it above the last three. Let's play it through. You can see that our text just pan across like that, without having to mess with any keyframes. If you think that text doesn't move dynamically enough, so let's go to inspector, select dynamic zoom, ease and change it from linear to ease in and out. It will start slow and then speed up and slow down again at the end. So we finished one, we still have one to go. So this effect is called fly through text effect. So let's put it on the layer 2, go to effect library, open toolbox, go to titles and drag and drop text to timeline underneath the video clip. Extend it as needed. So, and let's go directly to composite, change mode from normal to multiply. So we can see text already through, and we go to and highlight the text clip, change the text. We're gonna change font and font face as well, and size. Let's play it through. Yes. So we have to select the beginning point for our effect. Just Ctrl B and cut the text clip and select the waypoint where we would like to end with this effect. And just use Ctrl B as well. So now delete the rest of the text clip and select video clip. Use Ctrl B and go to mode, change it from multiply to normal. So now we have two clips, one with layer, text layer, one without. So next thing is, let's go back to inspector and go to settings, open settings and enable dynamic zoom. Go to this small rectangle and activate dynamic zoom as well. So you can see that we have two rectangles here, the green one and the red one. The green one will be basically a beginning of the clip or the effect, and the red one will be the end of the effect. So we're gonna use red rectangle and put it on the point that we would like to see the effect. So this will be the point that we will go through the text. We're gonna extend the green rectangle and now we can play it through. That looks nice, looks really nice. So one thing more that we can do, let's go to dynamic zoom ease, and you can just select ease in, not ease out. So ease in, and let's see how it looks in full screen. It looks amazing, really. Nice effect, very easy to do. So that's it. Thank you for today, for your company, and see you next time. And that's it for today. And as always, thumbs up. Leave your feedback and comments down below. Hit that subscribe button if you're first time here, and don't forget to check my other videos as well. See you all next time. Have a good one.